Hi planner friends, let's set up with me in 39th week in Hobonichi Weeks. This is a brand new week and I have already set up dividing my page. So I'm going to start highlighting some areas. I like highlighting the calendar area. And for those who don't know me, I use my Hobonichi mostly functional. So this is almost my everyday planner where I keep track of personal tasks I need to do at home and so on. And so first thing I usually like to do is adding some header, and I'm using a brush pen, and I like to write this week. And I like to write post-care. And then I'm going to write Monday to Sunday. Where should I write it? Let's write it here. And then for this part, I usually like to write down all the tasks that I had in my mind. I may or may not get through them, but that's okay. But the point is writing down what's on your mind for this week that you sort of want to do. But at least you can go back to this list and you can actually assign them to days that you have more time to work on. So I'll write them out. Right, and I usually like to flip through my sticker collection and add appropriate stickers for this week, especially like at the header. I kind of want to add some sticker to kind of make it stand out a little bit more. I'm eyeing on these Mimi heart sticker. I think these will be great. So let's go for the purple color. And let's add it right beside this week. There you go. You don't really need a lot. Just add a few, maybe the yellow one for post-care, so kind of stand out. Just like that. There you go, and it looks really nice for this week, and I can't wait to complete this week. And until next time, I hope this video helps you to figure out how I use it and maybe inspire you to use your Hobonichi Weeks. Let me know if you have any questions, and let me know what planners you're using for 2026. It's like coming up very soon, a couple months. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye planner friends.